In this workshop, we repair and modify all kinds of pumps and other rotating equipment. With over 30 years of experience, we know exactly how to do any kind of maintenance on all kinds of equipment and enhance their lifetime and performance. After repair, each pump is pressure tested in this shop, and if necessary, we can also do a performance test in our test facility. Like with all our repairs, we can repair any rotating equipment. Big pumps, small pumps, any brand. You name it, we can repair it.